There it came. How's everybody doing? It's back here in the Frugal Fixer Shop. We multitasking tonight. What y'all up to? Hey, come on in and talk to me. Hey, subscribe, please. Push that little button and dingy dingy so you'll get know when I'm gonna do something on notifications. Hey, come on in and visit, guys. Let's see what we got going tonight. What we're doing right now is we're cutting out a guitar. So we got the CNC running, cutting out a guitar right this minute. And then when it gets done doing that, which is going to be a long time, well, I'm going to be doing other things. So let's turn around and go to the other side of the shop. That ain't bad. Right this way a little bit. Okay. I'm in the shop here, and I'm going to make some plastics while that's running because that's going to be a while, okay? So best thing I can do is go ahead and get started. So I got a piece of plastic ready to go in the machine. We're going to fire one up and let it go and just see how it works. Yeah, I don't see it. I'm going to try to hit a share button there. Hey, anybody that checks in here, do me a favor. Share this on Facebook or somewhere. Get people to watch. I'll help you. Appreciate that a lot. Hey, let's make some plastic, okay? You ready? Let's go. If you haven't seen how my machine works, this is where I put the plastic in between here and here. And the jaws are alive. And this is the way the mold goes up and down when you're making parts. And this is where you turn the vacuum on to go suck the part down and make it tight on the thing. So let's make a part right quick. And what are we making tonight? I'll show you just a second. You got to clamp your plastic real good and tight in the frame so it don't pull out when you start to make parts. Put the heater over. Turn the switch on it. And start the timer. I have to do that because I get to doing other things and I forget. Well, you don't want to leave from the oven too long. You know how that works out. You put cookies in the oven and forget about them. Well, you got hockey pucks. And I got worse than that. I got scraps. So, yeah, let's watch this thing make some parts. It ain't going to take it too long, I don't think, but it's pretty quick. Let's get the heat gun out so we can see what we got. We'll let it run a little bit. It's going to take a few minutes. Let it start making up the part. So while that's warming up, you see, that's a good angle right there. While that thing's warming up, it's going to take it a little bit. I'm going to share a couple things with you. Spike's done a little reevaluating on the way he does things and what he's doing. And I just want to share a couple things that I'm fixing to start doing. Have y'all heard of open source? That's that computer talk. You know, when they open source something, that means that they'll just let, here's the stuff, do with it what you want to. I kind of like that idea now. So instead of messing with all these nuts and bolts and all this stuff, I decided I'm going to make plastics. And I'm going to sell gold rams and a few other things. And other than that, I'm going to sell trays and you make what you want out of it. How about that? So how about some open source trays at a price that'll be hard to beat and make you equipment out of it? All that'll be announced in the next 2 or 3 days. I've got it all in the works. It's just a matter of finishing up all the details on it. So, I got this big old beast of a machine, and what it loves to do is make plastic. And I like to make them, that's fine. I don't mind doing that while I'm doing my other things around the shop here. And I hope y'all can hear me over this louder. But anyway, what I decided was I just didn't want to deal with all that and all the bolts and nuts. And so we're going to open source. You want some trays to build a machine? I'll show you anything you want. That's just the way we're going to do it. And what that amounts to is you're going to be able to buy a tray to build you a sluice out of for about $35. That's a pretty general idea of where it's going to be. And gold rounds are going to be $25. Cut out ready. If you want one just nothing done to it, take it with you. I'll figure out a price on that too. But anyway, just like I said, just shared a couple ideas with you what we're going to do here in the shop. So, 232. I've got some a new adventure going, with the guitar stands I'm doing, and they seem to be taking off really good. They're keeping me real busy. And I'm on my second guitar right now. I haven't finished the first one, but I've cut 2 out. So we're going to get a real good one of these days. We're working toward that right now. So, yeah, like I say, we're working at it. But you know what I need? I need to enjoy what I'm doing and not stress. And that's what I'm trying to do right now. See, I'm back in this shop and not stress, folks. So, 255. Yep, we're getting close. 255. So, 130 degrees will make this part. And then my wife came to the door and said dinner was ready a while ago. So, I guess I'm going to have to put the old CNC machine on pause. Because I dare not leave out of here and leave it on its own. I don't trust it. Nope. I don't trust it at all, folks. So, let's see how this is going to work out. We're about to make this part. Y'all come on in and join and help me out and we'll see how this one goes. $75. Let's give it about another 15, 20 seconds. I'm ready to make a part. Hey, y'all want to come on over? Let's get in here tight. I want y'all to see this. Pretty good angle? Yeah, that's a good angle. Okay, heat off. Heater over the top right away. We're going to raise the part up. And then we're going to pull a vacuum on that part and pull it down on that motor. Just that quick and easy, folks. That's the way we do it. What you think? Gold Ram. All right. Gold Ram done and ready. Hey, guys. Dinner's ready. Dinner's ready. I'm going to let this one cool for about 45 seconds or so, and then I can unmold it. And I can go eat my dinner, and then I'll come back and do some more stuff in the shop tonight, because I got a bunch of stuff I need to get done. Got some events coming up. I want to make sure that I get something for all of those, all the stuff built. So, and my new open source plan is, you'll see how it goes. I mean, it's going to be like, walk up, make a deal. Yeah, that's what it's going to be. Come see me, guys. Been fun. We'll check in again later. Hey, let it dry and dust it off. It gets all dirty.